welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this DeLonghi Magnifica S warranty repair, and pretty much we had a problem with, it first came in because I had a problem with leaking, and we replaced the pump into the tune-bar machine, still didn't fix the problem, so we did a discounted repair on the whole mechanical valve, took the whole thing out, replaced it with one. The old one's right here. So you see, we put a brand new one in there, and we're just making a video to kind of give a heads up or see. We've been working on a lot of machines today, and I can't tell if the water is too much or too little, but to change the coffee ground, you just click this button here. So also there was a complaint where the coffee was putting too much, so we're going to do a little amount and then we're going to do the max amount to show you the difference. But we're going to start with doing 1 shot. You can see the water will come out here. It's usually bad when the water comes out while it's brewing, so as long as the water doesn't come out while it's brewing, you see some water comes out from pressurizing. As long as it doesn't leak during brew time, it should be okay. So you can see now it's just dropping, which is fine. Here's that shot. Nice cup. As you can see. And just to give you a little depth, that's how much water is in here. A little puddle. And then we're going to crank it to the max. We're going to do this a little force out actually. Now we're going to do a max one. We're going to try again. Again, your machine's making good coffee, doing well. Make sure it's got water is pouring. See right before. Of course, because it's pressurizing. Pour. And this should be a really, really strong coffee. As you can see, very dark. Very well. This is our test coffee, by the way. And just to show you the difference in pucks, we have, I'll pull it out here. This is the small puck right here. See, very, very small. This is the bigger one. It needs to calibrate also. So, let me see, actually. Let's pour one more. See if we get a clean puck. The reason it's this amount is because we have it on the smallest coffee size, as you can see. You can change it here to make it more or less. I don't want to show you that back. Kind of broken to pieces, but you can kind of see a little bit of how chunky it was right there. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna make this video just to see if everything's looking good. This is after 3 shots. This is how much water gets at the bottom. Is that free?